Good morning. It is late. It's about 9:30. It was raining, so I had to wait for it to stop raining. We are outside and we're going to get this walk done. My back feels much better. Kind of hurt it a little bit the other day, nothing major. It's fine. Let me grab my quarters and we'll be off. Nothing fancy today. Just going to get it done. It's in the water. The wet quarters. Well, alright, here we go. Kind of a dreary day. You know what kind of else day this is? This is a good chili making day. Yeah. Chili's a very healthy food, especially if you spice it up with hot peppers like I do. Very good for weight loss. Beans, a lot of protein. I'm even putting meat in it. You gotta have meat. Alright, we're on lap 1. I am not on a particular, I'm not even on a diet, guys. I'm not on a diet. I'm just changing habits. That is all, and it's working. Because we're down, what, 20 pounds now. I got that all cut down the other day. So, it's working. Bread and milk, that was a big thing. Well, I didn't eat a whole lot of bread, but I ate a lot of things with bread in it. Like pizza. You know, I'd eat bread when I ate a lot of pasta. So that was a big one. Not eating pasta. Oh God, I love pasta though. Not saying I'll never eat it, but let's get down to the goal. I kind of changed the settings on the camera, guys, giving a more cinematic look. So we're going to see what this looks like. It's going to be uploaded in 4K under these settings, but supposedly it's going to be a little better. We'll see. The settings I had, that doesn't look real. It's too sharp. I didn't like it. So we're going to try the cinematic mode. May look a little more dull, but it's looking more, it looks more realistic. I did not cut a trail through here yet, but I guarantee you, we're going to walk one through here. It ain't too bad. There we go. Now you can see where I've worn trails down. Yeah, it's about 45 degrees. I like it. After this summer, I like any kind of cold weather. You ain't gonna hear me complaining. No, sir. I've already been to town. Yeah. About 1,500 cans I got open for my chili. I'm even doing this walk in my jeans. But they're loose fitting jeans. I don't know why. They don't fit no more. Got a nice fog going over there. Pretty cool, huh? Supposed to have thunderstorms later. I wasn't gonna walk today, and I'm like, man, I can't sit on my butt for 2 days. So here I am. But since it's so late, we're just gonna do a couple laps today. 'Cause I gotta get this thing uploading. I've got a ton of work to do in my kitchen. I've got a ton of dishes dirty before I can even start cooking. And I'm just gonna cook my chili on the stovetop, because I'm making a bigger batch than usual. I went to the Dollar General, bought some storage containers so I can freeze some. So let's just do 2 laps today. I'll just talk through them. How's that? I'm not even gonna throw the quarter in there. 1 lap. And we'll just turn around and do this last lap. I'm not getting lazy. Just getting a late start. Got to change it up a little bit. I may do a cooking video today. I'm not sure. If I do, most likely put it on the other channel. Or I may do 2 different versions. Put one on this channel, but I doubt it. That's too much work. You can't upload the same video and put them on both channels, because even though it's my work, you get copyrights. Isn't that crazy? And I don't even want that on there. Noisy Noiserson. Like I said, I wasn't even going to do a walk today because it was raining earlier. But we will do a little one. I've already walked quite a bit taking care of the dog. And these are going to take a lot longer to upload now that I'm doing them in 4K. Hi, Slibby. Around the tree. It is going to be cold in the morning. It's going to be cold all next week. 30s, 40s, blows in the 20s. So I got to remember to put the well house light on tonight. Well house light. Yeah, we are in that time of year where it's moving out of fall in the winter. Why won't you die? Don't you know it's winter? My goodness. Alright, we're gonna just stomp a trail through here. I'm gonna come get you out in a minute, but you ain't gonna want to stay out in this weather. I bet they're sleeping again. I know it. Hey! Oh, God. Trust me, man. You don't want gnomes on your property. They're despicable little creatures. Gnomes. They go out at night and do nasty little things. I know they do. I think Clippy's been hanging out with them. If you don't know Clippy, You'll see him in a future video. But he's slowing down in his old age. He's in his 90s. But he may not be. I don't trust him. Boy, just sitting out one day, I feel it. It's gonna be a little difficult breathing tomorrow. That cold weather. I do have a hat that has a face mask that goes across, so I'll probably dig that out. It's a pretty cool hat. Even though I don't like wearing hats. Ball hats I wear. But it's kind of like that. With the ears flapped down. You'll see it. Alright. 2 hats is good for me. And I weighed myself this morning, trust me. It's going well. It's going well. Alright. Hey, at least we got a video up today. You know, the other day when I said, well, these aren't getting that many views. Well, they're not. But I'm used to my other channel. It's got over 7,000 subscribers. So, yeah, it gets a lot more views. This channel only has, I think it's going on 1,200 subscribers, so it's not going to get the views it did. And I think when I first started these videos, YouTube were boosting them, you know, and they're not anymore. But they're doing all right. And actually, in revenue, this channel's making the same as that one right now. I haven't put a lot on that channel, but that's what we're doing. What do you want? Go see what she wants. If she does come out, she'll just sit in that doghouse. What is it you want? You got 3 dog houses. Did you want out? Yeah, I got you an appointment. Your semi-annual appointment for your ears. People don't understand about your ears, do they? We got it under control. We've been going to the doctor for almost 8 years for your ears. You've had surgeries. You've had everything. But it's your allergies. Yeah. And she's probably most likely allergic to hay or straw, but she's got to have it. She tears blankets up. I've tried putting blankets in there. She's got it. She just tears them up. So we can't use that. All right, guys. If you haven't subscribed, appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Give me a like. Give me an unlike. I don't care. Happy trails.